green rice, a great accompaniment to your dinner. Let's make some. I'm starting off with some already cooked rice and very finely chopped spinach. Hey, I did a good job really chopping that up, and now I'm just stirring that together and pouring in some milk and adding in some beaten egg. This is going to give it a nice structure, and some minced onion, or actually it was grated, and some vanilla. No, I'm teasing, no vanilla. It's Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of salt, and we're going to stir that up and just get it where all the milk and egg is just really mixed around there. All the rice is moist. And then I've got a 9x9 pan. I'm using something similar to that size. Just go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray, and then put your rice mixture in there. And I'm just patting it around, making it level. Pat, pat, pat. Nice and level. There we go. Now I'm going to take the melted butter and, oh, I just dumped it right in the center. You might want to kind of spread it out all over the rice before you spread it with a spatula. Now it goes into the oven just for a while, and then I'm bringing out some shredded cheese and topping that. I'll put it back into the oven for a little while. Makes it really nice when it comes out. The cheese is still kind of oozy. Now I've got some chopped fresh parsley. I'm spreading that around, a lot of it because it's green rice. And I love color, so I'm adding some paprika, sprinkling that around, letting that rice cool just for a few minutes, and then it's ready to cut nicely into squares. Look at that, so moist, lots of flavor. I do hope you give this dish a try and subscribe to our channel.